Hi, I'm Rico. I'm a Japanese girl who is full of curiosity around me. I love traveling. My dream is visiting lots of places and seeing different cultures all over the world. Then, I decided to go abroad to study as an exchange student. The country I've chosen is Malaysia. It takes about 7 hours by flight from Japan to Malaysia. One of my classmates, Regina, introduced to me two friends of hers who are Liana and Estelle. One day, my friend Liana invited me to visit Blue Mosque in Shah Alam, which is the biggest mosque in Malaysia. That day, Estelle and I enjoyed taking photos together, while Regina acted as our camera girl. Well, we had fun.
This Blue Mosque was built in 1982 and after 7 years, the construction was completed in 1988. This is the largest mosque in Malaysia and the second tallest mosque minaret in the world. Mosque was to combine traditional architecture and modern design. It was to be capable of accommodating 20,000 worshippers. The Sultan decreed the building of a mosque to act as the focal point for believers when Shah Alam was declared the new capital of the state. Traditionally, the dome plays an important role in a mosque. The outer dome of the mosque is 300 feet above ground level and 170 feet in diameter. It carries a watertight corrugated aluminium sheetings, decorative panels, and is finished in vitreous enamel. The sheet is coated with molten glass and is rust-proof. The enamel shimmers in the sunlight and glitters in the floodlights. Minaret is a special platform higher than the building to call azan 5 times a day. Blue Mosque has 4 minarets to match the height of the dome. It's 460 feet to the cone apex. At the top is an aircraft warning light and the cone ends with a stars and crescent shape. There is a spiral staircase inside. One nearest the dome has a lift for a public access to the highest landing. The courtyard is normally open air and serves as an overspill praying area on Fridays. This courtyard floor has a fountain. Groin vault is one of the symbolic structures in Blue Mosque. Some columns have speakers. The floor of the mosque are installed with marble tiles which originated from Pulau Langkawi. There are open windows along the entrance hall. Their function is to allow sunlight to brighten up the entrance during daylight, which is energy saving. This structure is one part of the modern design. In Islamic world, geometric shape of flowers are used because idol worship like God, human and animals are forbidden. An arch usually can be seen in Islamic architecture. Thick lines are applied on the carpet at intervals inside the prayer hall. It is because prayers can take interval easily when they pray. The carpets for the entire area made to order in Belgium. This is fine worsted wool with geometric designs against a blue background. This direction to Mecca is indicated by a notch in the wall known as the Mihrab. One with apex is called Mimar, carved by a local craftsman from Kelantan. The prayer hall opens to a courtyard opposite the Mihrab wall. The dome is supported by 8 pillars. American acoustic experts make sure the sound system in the dome didn't produce echoes. Panels of natural local timber, brick balau and raming in criss-cross pattern make up ceiling. The decorative finish fixed to the wooden ceiling includes pinball lights dome, which give the impression of a starlight sky. The tag calligraphy has been done by a top Egyptian calligrapher, I. Yassin Quranik, verses in gold yellow on a blue background is on a ring beam. These windows allows light to go in the hall. For comfort, a cool air blown-in system, together with a specially designed air exhaust system, provide comfortable temperature and pleasant air movement. It will be turned on 30 minutes before the prayer time. Floodlights are used to highlight the rich decor of the mosque. Second floor is for female players, while first floor is for male players. Stained glass can be seen as decoration on the doorways, windows, and walls of the mosque. Stained glass works to reduce the amount of light that can enter the hall. Bluish ambience makes prayers feel a sense of peace and serenity. The mosque is well lit at night. 4 design chandeliers enhance the internal beauty of the main prayer hall. A mosque is more than a house of God where Muslims go to pray. Besides, mosque is a place to learn, disseminate, and exchange of information about Islam. Some facilities are provided at the ground floor. This is an ablution room for female prayers. The color of the tiles are red-brown. Before Muslims start their prayer, they need to get a wash. These flower pattern tiles are from Turkey. This is an ablution room for male prayers. In total, 560 pipes are equipped in the ablution room. Directly under the main prayer hall is another hall almost equal in size. It is designed in the first place as the State Quran Reading Competition Hall. Religious classes lecture hall are for children, courses and seminars for the purpose of learning the Quran by heart. There is also a library. Besides providing books, they also reproduce tapes and cassettes of talks and lectures held. For the purposes of establishing the library, they welcome donations and contributions from well-wishers. For each movement of worshippers for locations of Mecca, there are 3 primary entrances. These shoes boxes located at the royal entrance is for Sultan of Selangor. This is the royal entrance is on the north side while main one is on the east side. One of top architects in Malaysia was in charge of this project. He visited several countries to study the design of mosques and look for suitable materials. These are the mosques that he designed in Malaysia. "27 years has passed since mosque had opened. This mosque become indeed the mosque that the whole country can be proud of, as Sultan of Selangor dreams of."